Hey everyone, is your laptop overheating, slowing down, or randomly shutting off? Whether you are on Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7, this video will show you exactly how to fix laptop overheating in 2025 with simple steps you can do at home. First, let's quickly understand what causes overheating. Blocked air vents, dust build up inside the fan, too many apps running in the background, high performance setting, outdated drivers or BIOS, even old thermal paste on the CPU. Let's fix it step by step. First, clean the air vents. Turn off your laptop and check the air vents, usually on the bottom or sides. Use a can of compressed air or gently blow out the dust with a soft brush. Do this every 2 or 3 months to prevent internal heat buildup. Second step is adjust power setting. Let's reduce unnecessary heat using power setting. Open the control panel, then go to the power option. Where is my power option? Here is my power option, and to click the power option and select the balance or power saver, change plan setting and go to the advanced power setting to set the process power management. Here is the process power management. To click the process power management and maximum process 80 to 90 and minimum process state is 80 and the maximum process state setting is 80. Then click the apply and OK. This lowers CPU strain without affecting performance much. And then the third step is close background apps. Too many apps running, more CPU uses, more heats. Here's how to clean them. First of all, we have to go to the task manager. To control shift escape, then go to the task manager. Here is my task manager, and to choose the startup and disable unnecessary apps. In process, right click heavy apps and click in task. Here is lot of apps are running in the background, so you can disable these apps. Then go to the Figma agent and you can disable these apps. And also the fourth step is update drivers and BIOS. Outdated drivers can causes your hardware to run inefficiently. To press Win plus X to go to the device manager and to select the display adapter, right click display adapter and processor or cheapest, and to update BIOS visit your laptop official website, find your model, download the latest BIOS or firmware updates, follow instruction carefully and to set up your BIOS. Then the 5th step is use a cooling pad. If your laptop still gets hot, use a cooling pad with built-in fans. They are expensive and plug in by USB, perfect for gaming laptops or older model that heat up quickly. And also you have to check the monitor temperature, like you can use port temp and to see the monitor temperature. And the third party is CPU ID HW monitor. You can see the download and use your monitor temperature for this show your CPU and GPU temperature in real time. Keep CPU below 85 degree Celsius, GPU under 90 degree Celsius for safe uses. And also, if you are tech savvy and your laptop is over 3 years old, consider opening it up and cleaning the old thermal paste and apply fresh thermal paste to the CPU or GPU. This drastically improves heat transfer, but do this only if you are confident or help. Your laptop should run cooler, quick and faster. Hope you are enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.